Hello guys, welcome to Happy Stumis channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Telegram. So guys, let's continue into your Telegram. So after opening the Telegram, you can see this page and this is called chat box. Your all messages will be coming here. Then if you tap on the pencil icon, you can see three options. So the first option is new group. In this group you can create a group with your friends, and in that group you can also message and talk on the phone together. Now in the second option, here you can add of that people IDs whom you want to talk secretly. Now in the last option, new channel, here you can open or create a new channel and you can also add your friends to that channel. And then guys, you can see the plus icon of the below. If you tap this, here you can add any of your friends by entering their phone number and name. And then in the search option, you can search here the Telegram account and also the groups. Then if you click on the three lines in the left side of corner, here you can find the useful option which you can change your Telegram settings. So guys, that's it. That's how you can use Telegram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.